Hello everybody, this is Edgar and I'm from the Bain Group, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a calculated column within Power Apps. In this video we'll be covering how to add a calculated column to our table, how to edit the behavior of a column, and also testing our example at the end. Using calculated columns allows you to create new data from your existing data. Doing this allows you to see information in a new way and provides better visualization for your data as a whole. So let's get into how to actually create this column. So once we're in the table that we want to create this calculated column in, we want to go in this panel here that says columns and data and go over to the right and click the plus button here to add a new column. So once this window pane comes up, you want to add a display name. So we'll just call this forecasted revenue, since that's what we want to figure out from our data. I'll put 2 since I already made an example. We got a description if we like. Then for data type, we want to add currency, since we're talking about dollars here, but you select what makes sense for you. Behavior, we want to add calculated, since we want to create a calculated column. So once we do this, we want to click on Save and Edit here, which pops up after we select the calculated. It'll save our column before opening a pop-up. We just wait for this to stop saving. And then we see a pop-up appear on our screen. Now we see this. So under Action, here we want to click Add an Action. And then we'll get this pop-up here. So this is similar to Excel and using Excel formulas. So for this calculated column, I want to add a simple calculation. So we're going to be adding one of our columns with another. So let's see here. We want to add contract amount. So we'll just find that here, contract amount. And we want to multiply that with our probability. But we want to divide that by 100. So this is just a small example that I'm using, but you could use it for literally however you like. So here's a simple equation that we want to add on our column. We just want to multiply 2 numbers together, and the second number is being divided by 100. Alrighty, so once we have our mathematical equation here for our calculated column, we just click the check mark, and we'll have that set here. Okay, now we'll click Save and Close. Then we'll just start processing our calculated column. And now we see our new column here. We'll just wait for it to start populating the data. We can do a quick refresh. And here we go. Here's the data that the calculated column provided for us. Thank you again for joining me in this tips and tricks video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.